Hello, these are solutions to some questions in the physics paper, which was held on 1st September in the evening. Okay, so let us move to the first question. So you are given two resistors of resistances 4 each, and therefore the equivalent resistance for the parallel combination is 2 ohms. And since the errors in each of them are given, we shall write the equation properly. That is 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Differentiate on both sides. You will get dr by R square is equal to dr by R1 square plus dr2 by R2 square after cancelling the minus sign on both sides. And the above equation itself gives you R is equal to 2, which is very straightforward. So I'm not discussing that. So we need dr, which is equal to R square times dr1, which is 0.4 by 4 square plus dr2, which is 0.8 by again R2 square, which is also 4 square. R square is 4, so we will get dr as 1 by 4 times 0.4 plus 0.8, which is 0.3. And therefore the answer to this question is 2 plus or minus 0.3. So option A is the correct answer. I hope you are clear with this. Half-life of X is equal to half-life of Y. Sorry, mean life of Y. So let the half-life be Tx and half-life here is Ty. Then its mean life is nothing but Ty upon ln 2. Okay, because as we know, while half-life is ln 2 by lambda, mean life is 1 by lambda. Okay, so or lambda is ln 2 by T half. So 1 by lambda is T half by ln 2. So they are saying Tx is equal to Ty upon ln 2. So Ty is equal to Tx times ln 2. ln 2, as you know, is less than 1. So the half-life of Y is less than half-life of X, which means that Y decays faster because Y can become half in a smaller time compared to X, which means Y decays faster than X. Okay, so that way Y should be the answer. Okay, and Y is an appropriate answer actually. Now, suppose if initial number of molecules of X, okay, is very large and the initial number of molecules of Y is very small. Okay, that also is fine. But if initial number of X is very small and that of Y is very large, even though Y's decay rate is more, you will have more number of Y, okay, at any time compared to X. But I still don't feel that not enough information is a correct answer. The correct answer should be Y only. As we know, intensity of magnetization to the magnetic field intensity is nothing but susceptibility. So I by H is equal to susceptibility, which is negative for diamagnets, which is negative for diamagnets. And therefore, the correct answer should be option C. But in the NCERT textbook, many of you might have seen the option A, that graph, but that is, you have to understand, it is B versus H, and that is to show a hysteresis behavior. But theoretically speaking, I by H is susceptibility and it is negative. So the most appropriate option should be option C. So we have a resistance R connected to a voltage V initially, and and thereafter R is broken into two resistors. So the resistance of them will be R by 2 each, and both these resistors of resistance R by 2 are connected in parallel to the same voltage V. Okay. So in the second case, the R equivalent is equal to R by 4. So in the first case, the power dissipated is V square by R. And after the two halves are connected in parallel, the power dissipation will be V square upon R by 4. So that will be 4 times V square by R. So the ratio will be 1:4. So option C is correct. And then let us proceed. So as you know, the amplitude modulated wave is given by AC times 1 plus AM sine omega mt times sine omega ct. And this is the amplitude term. I am sorry, here there is a AM by AC, which we call typically as the modulation index mu. So it is understandable that the amplitude term A is equal to AC plus AM sine omega m into t. So the maximum amplitude A max is equal to AC plus AM, and minimum amplitude A min is equal to AC minus AM. And maximum to minimum amplitude ratio is being asked. So the ratio we need is AC plus AM divided by AC minus AM, which is 250 plus 150, which is 400, divided by 250 minus 150, which is 100. So the ratio is 4. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you. We will upload the questions as they come. So we will upload more questions in the time to come. Please stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.